Oh, so you literally just put nails.
We put screws just to keep it in place. They're not even like that. I mean, like, you can kick this door down so easily, which was kind of the point because it's probably illegal. It's probably illegal. Not that dark in here, but it is a little.
I think right now it's beautiful. Like when it's like at this time of day with this purple is great, but when we come in here in the evening, it's not.
Right.
So it's literally, if it stayed like this, I wouldn't mind it, honestly. But
Me neither. I actually really like the color right now. Damn.
it's our first night together in our new room.
Are you videoing this? Oh man. I started videoing us when I was on my phone. Made me look like just some loser just hanging out on this phone when it's supposed to be our special first night together.
I mean, was that not what was happening? I'm all about accuracy and authenticity.
Oh. I feel like a loser.
It's her first night in our room. How do you feel?
Pretty good, I guess.
Whatever. You just waxing poetics about how much you want the separation in between your studio space and here.
It feels good to be out of the studio and into my own proper bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice to put work over there.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel?
I feel really good. I feel like multitude of ways. I think this is the first night where I feel like I'm not just spending the night over your place.
Yeah.
Like it feels like I haven't started paying a shred of rent yet. Yeah, but yeah, being able to say like our room versus your room, I think that's dope. And like stuff is not even ready yet, but it's like it's cool to finally feel like, I don't know, a connected ownership of a room. I don't know, it's weird. I never lived with somebody else like this before, so.
Yeah. It's a collaboration.
Mm-hmm. Night one.
Night one.
Freddie, we about to paint.
Mm-hmm.
You excited?
I mean, I definitely have a general preference. I'm an Audi sort of roller.
Oh my god.
But in the bathroom is particularly bad because it's so far away. It's like miles when you're taking it down.
You're rocking shit, it's like forever away.
Yeah, that's a nice color.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna look so good.
Thank you.
So good.
Is this the darker of the two?
Yeah.
Nice. That's gonna feel dreamy in
Mm-hmm.
here. Or
Look.
spooky, excuse me.
It's gonna feel sexy.
No, it feels spooky sexy.
Spooky sexy, like vampire.
What about this?
I don't know what that is. Is that in the wall?
It's from this. It says this should
Oh yeah, you got a
down.
sand off.
It's October. Not even the end of October, like October 22nd. Trash. It's just trash.
These are shelves that my boyfriend built. And I'll probably do that in our room too. Oh.
She's a package queen. Yeah. Look at you got another one.
Oh, shit. I don't even know what it is.
I don't know what it is either. I don't know what half the stuff order is. Even after you take it out of the box.
Oh, you flipped the mirror. Interesting.
I was thinking about putting it up, trying it out. I kind of want to put it like.
You want it vertical?
I think that would feel nice. Don't you?
Yeah, because maybe that's why I was feeling like it was so aggressively big, because of it being horizontal. Can you flip it just so I can see it?
I mean, it's not bad. I like it this way too.
Yeah. I mean, that's nice too. You moved it over a little bit so it's like more centered on the wall.
Which way?
To the left, your left. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Gotta get some. It makes the room feel bigger already.
Yeah. Don't I look flat in this sweater? That was the package that came. Hope you've been enjoying this third part of the whole Leeya is Moving trilogy. First was, moving out of my apartment. Second was creating my studio. And the third is our blending our bedrooms. As you saw a little bit, my best friend / our best friend, Freddie, is living downstairs. He used to be in the room that is now our bedroom, and the room that used to be Dex's bedroom is now his studio. It has been such a good journey, and trying to figure out how our mix of furniture and crazy patterns and things could come together to create a bedroom that really felt like a good blend between the two of us. I think we're both very sentimental in the fact that we hold on to things. Like, I have photos of my grandparents. And right now, because the room doesn't get that much light, we're leaning more into the more artificial plants, even though, as you saw in the downstairs, we kind of have a lot of actual real plants. We're going to eventually bring up some real plants, but it's a little bit harder in that room because there is just such a narrow window of light. Books is, I think, a common theme throughout the house. I don't think there's any room in the whole house where there's not books. My favorite thing is being able to walk through and see my baby creating his art, hearing his music. And then walking into my own space and creating my own art. I also really enjoy putting together our bed. And that's just like the mark of a good bed set. Like, I don't know. When you have like a good bed set, this one's from the Jungalow, but I stand. You actually want to make the bed. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this short video of our blending of bedrooms. It's kind of just a snippets of the evolution of the bedroom. And there's a few things I forgot to call out, like my credenza, which is actually my favorite thing. It's from an article, and it was a splurge, honey. But I really wanted to capture what our room kind of feels like. I could have staged it and cleaned it up a little bit more, but this is honestly what it is looking like on the daily most of the time. So hope you've enjoyed this. This is probably the last of the trilogy I have going about where I live, and everything else on my channel will probably be me trying things and doing art. So if you want to listen and watch that, then subscribe. You already know what to do. All right, bye.